How to find your debit card number on Chase app in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can quickly access your card details when you need them without searching through emails or paperwork. Start by opening the Chase app on your phone and signing in securely. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see your accounts listed. Tap on the checking account that is linked to your debit card. This takes you to the account details where most of your card-related information is managed. From there, look for a section related to your card. These may appear as Manage Cards, Card Controls, or something similar. Tap into the section to access your debit card settings. In this area, you may find options to view card details, replace your card, or manage security settings. The next step is checking if your card number is visible. For security reasons, many banking apps do not show the full debit card number directly on the screen. Instead, you may only see the last few digits of your card. If the full number is available, there will usually be a secure way to reveal it, such as confirming your identity with a passcode or biometric login. If the full number is not shown, the app still provides ways to access your card information safely. You can use the app's digital wallet feature or saved card details if you've already added your card to online payments. Another option is checking any secure documents or notifications within the app where card details may have been provided when the card was issued. If you need the full debit card number and cannot find it in the app, the most reliable option is checking the physical card itself or contacting customer support through the app. The support feature allows you to request help directly without leaving the platform. To avoid issues in the future, it's helpful to store your card securely or save it in trusted payment apps so you don't have to look it up repeatedly. Always make sure your information is protected and avoid sharing your full card details unless it's necessary and secure. By following these steps, you can find your debit card information on the Chase app or understand where to access it safely. With a quick check inside your account and the right options, you can manage your card details without confusion while keeping your information secure.